Wila सबके salam chanai dia ase aro viewers kan sob ke welcome kori ase ajibi apni khan ke ekta khobor loi ani dia ase dudole do ration card te nutun family members kan add korina thaka doile kina janibo itu la opor de aro kunba doile ID number ration card laga ID number hi pai logina card to napa khan bi pisa ase itu beneficiary khan aro kunba doile bacha khan noile family members khan doile add korigina kiman members ase janibo napara edu karne kinaka online de family members to add korisana nai kinaka janibo edu la opore apni khan ki du short pro video banai na ase edu karne amakhan ikilo sabo first time mohan dole ekta app pabo tate play store koigena apni la phone de pabo to play store de mera ration noile ration card app koigena type korbo ina type korse kole ineka interface dikhai dibo mera ration app koina to itu install kori lobo etu install kora bishide ineka interface dikhai dibo to open koina dikhibo pari ase to open ke click kori dibo yate interface ena dikhai dibo allowed or don't allowed koina to allowed ke click kori dibo allowed ke click kori dise kole to ineka interface dikhai dibo aro olop thaki kena page to khulibo page khola dile ineka dikhai dibo to yate select language koina automatic yate english koina pabo to niche de next ke click kori dibo next ke click kora bishide next page to na khulibo yate dole mirror ration koina niche de get started koina dikhibo pari ase to get started edu ke click kori dibo get started ke click kori dise kole to next page to na khulibo yate dole login koina dikhibo pari ase login de dole to tuita option to amakhan dikhibo pari ase first wala dole beneficiary users ase aru second dole department users ase to mokhan do beneficiary ase edu karne beneficiary user edu choose korbo ina korna Aadhaar number chondo ration card apply kora time de dia Aadhaar number dole yate touch korbo aru niche de captcha code etu box de thaka nishina same to same next de type korbo ina korna login with OTP etu ke click kori dibo aru etu bishide OTP send successfully kogina interface ina dikhai dibo to simply OK ke click kori dibo OK ke click kori dia bishide apni la phone de Aadhaar laga OTP to ahena thakibo to etu copy kori lobo OTP to hole copy kori loi kina next day OTP verification kogina soita box to amakhan dikhibo pari ase to yate OTP chondo apni copy kori loise yate touch korbo ina korna verified ke click kori dibo verified ke click kori dise kole to OTP verified successfully kogina interface ina dikhai dibo to aru bi OK ke click kori dibo OK ke click kori dise kole to next page to na khulibo create mpin koina dikhibo pari ase niche de create now or skip koina dikhibo pari ase to skip ke click kori dibo skip ke click kora bishide aru next page to na khulibo yate dole tinta option to amakhan dikhibo pari ase while using the app only this time or don't allowed koina ase to first wala while using the app etu ke click koribo etu ke click kora bishide next page to na khulibo yate ro blur hogina dikhibo pari ase tinta line aru skip koina to skip ke click kori dibo skip ke click kori dise kole to ineka interface dikhai dibo etu dole apni laga detail scheme head of the family phone number address ration card number aru fair price shop etu kan sob detail ineka interface dikhai dibo etu dole ration card first page ase download koribo kole option ke click korina download koribo pare aru next day family members sabo kole to yate tap koribi mane apni finger para tap kori dise kole to next to flip korina ahi jabo etu karne moi etu ke tap kori ase to sabhi yate dole family members sob detail dikhai dibo family members koigena yate head of the family para start korina sob to ration card holder para start korina niche de achun manu to dikhibo pari ase aru tate sal dikhibo pari ase aru tate to relation etu kan sob dikhibo pari ase husband wife son noile self daughter etu kan sob detail yate family members dikhai dibo mane duijon tinjon ni thakise kole aru tate notun add korise kole kiman members to ahi jaise etu kan sob yate detail para show koribo koda koda first day apni laga husband and wife hi thakise to bacha khan tinjon duijon add korise kole sob yate detail dikhai dibo aru update howa na kole to tate first day purana kina thakise ena thakibo update hoise kole to family members khan yate show koribo etu karne kunba notun beneficiary khan to hoile to apply to koise mane family members kan add kurle edu kinaka janibo paribo aro family members to add hoise na koina kina janibo enaka hota baji kori thake aro edu hin hoigina ID club agena aro ration card to napa khan karne bi family members kiman ase edu janibo karne online de kina check korbo aro family members to add hoise na koina kina check korbo enaka hota baji kori thake aro comments bi kori thaka karne edu banala ase edu karne edu la system de aro edu la process de apni khan nichu laga family members add kurisa na nai koina online de kina check korbo edu la opor de apni khan ke short pro video banai di ase aro tana agar channel ke kunba notun ase kole to subscribe kori dibi aro like and share bi kori dibi aro apni khan ke update to hotai loi ani di thakbo koina edu short pro video banai di ase kiman jon pra sai dise bishi khushi paise etia karne mani form of update sai thakibi tana kate